Welcome to Hangar 3. Well, we got a rare aircraft in the hangar today, and it is a Diamond DA50. And there she is. A few things about this airplane. This nose gear is castering. It's not connected by the pedals, it's a self-castering wheel. 3-bladed empty prop, 300 Continental CDI diesel, burns jet fuel, TKS. And these flaps are Fowler flaps, so it has multi positions on it. I'll go up inside it. And one thing about this control stick is spring loaded. Rudder trims on the throttle. It's all FADEC. You put all your data input for your navigation. And that's what she looks like. Turn that off. Start this thing, you just pull this up, push the button. These go down for comfort. Fill up your oxygen. Very beefy landing gear. And that's it.